So today we're going to be doing a remedy that I use to grow my nails. My nails don't really look that bomb.com, but I'm gonna show you something that I use to grow my nails.
Don't be afraid to tell me if you ain't with it. I see your focus, yeah, you're so independent. It's hard for me to open up, I'll admit it. You got some shit to say and I'm here to listen. So baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste a day and spend the night.
So this is very simple and easy. So I'm going to be doing a remedy so we can get hair growth, okay? Because I'm gonna show you a picture of my hair. Ding! So that's gonna be coming up on the next following video. But today we're gonna be talking about ways you can grow your nails and stuff. So today I have a garlic. So all you need is a garlic, and you need either a clear polish that this is going to be your base where you're going to be putting the garlic in, okay? So if you have any other like polishes that you normally use, like you really love, like me, I really love this purple polish. What I did was put some garlic inside of that. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, okay? So first thing first, I have me a knife here. Okay. Okay, now you're not gonna see my head. So you're gonna take some garlic. Since I'm not using a lot, just to demonstrate, I'm going to take this piece of garlic and I'm gonna take the skin out of the garlic. And then I'm gonna cut it by little bit pieces. A little bit pieces so it can fit into the nail polish. Any kind of polish you normally use on a daily base, especially the clear base polish, is excellent because it's just like you could just. What did I record? It's like a base on your nails. Okay. So what I did was chop these off little bit pieces. What you're gonna do, you're gonna open the polish, open any type of polish you normally use. You're gonna put it inside of your nail polish. You're gonna put the garlic inside of your nail polish. I'm gonna just put 3 drops because I don't really have a lot in there. Then you're gonna close it up, and then you're gonna shake it. Let it sit for 1 day, just 1 day, and then you're gonna apply it to your nails. Okay. So I'm gonna, since I like this purple polish, I'm gonna add more of this purple polish. I'm gonna add more garlic inside of the purple polish. Then you're gonna close it up, and then you're gonna shake it. Leave it for a day, and then everything's gonna just simmer inside of that. Okay. So I normally do that a lot, and it really works. I saw that online and I tried. You have to keep on trying it instead of you buying these expensive like nail treatment to grow your nails, because I tried every last one of them. It didn't work. But once I use garlic with some nail polish base or regular nail polish, look at this. My nails ain't all that, but I ain't trying to brag. But you know, it's good and all. So I'm gonna do a thumbnail. I know. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to grow your nails long and healthy and strong, all you got to do is try this nail polish with garlic. Okay. it's very good and very excellent. So on my next following video, I'm gonna be doing a remedy for hair growth. Get ready for that. We're gonna be using the same base right here. We're gonna be using garlic, we're gonna be using grease, or whatever type of oil you have. We're going to be doing this hair challenge, okay? So thank you so much for watching Glamorousmorana channel. Don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel.